I love. We're in the shoe store. Yeah. And Walmart. Oh, wait. Wait.
Hey! You!
The little kid. Keep going.
16 going on 2.
Mr. Bob. Oh.
Hold on, I gotta
Another one. Another one.
Hey, easy there.
Hey there, cutie. What's your name?
What's your name?
What time would we record like this? Okay, seriously, the Bob thing. I feel bad for whoever. Our friend. We look like pedophiles.
That's nice. My hair is thick. We kind of cracked.